41 foot overall, weighs 18,000 pounds, holds 314 gallons of gas, and has a 2'6" draft. It's giving you more space, more comfort, and more features than you could ever dream of. What's up, boating enthusiasts? This is Ian Cox with Thunder Marine, and today we are on the brand new Jeanneau NC1295. So let's take a look. This is Jeanneau's new lateral terrace on the boat. It's going to be great for opening up the back of the boat. You're going to feel like you have a lot more room for diving off the side, putting out some chairs and sitting in the sun. Families are really going to appreciate this new feature. This boat is equipped with triple Yamaha 300s, or you have optional Mercury power as well. I really like this power retractable new shade they put on the back of the boat. The angle keeps the sun out of the cockpit at almost any hour of the day. The back of the boat features this large L-shaped seating with storage underneath, and you have this collapsible table that turns into a sunbed. The port side of the boat features this oversized boarding door for getting on and off the boat. One of the best features on the boat is the kitchen. You have a foldable countertop off the back that links the back of the boat. You have a cooktop, you have a microwave, a double sink, and I think this is great. There is an ice chest that drains overboard for all your drinks. The kitchen has tons of overhead storage, and you have a fridge-freezer combo. Relative to the 1095, this boat has a much larger family dining area. You can seat 5 comfortably, and then something I thought was great is they made the driver's station turn so he can engage with his crew. Up at the helm, you've got a lot of nice features. One of my favorite is the large dock door on the side of the boat. If you're driving this boat by yourself, it's going to be so much easier to get the fenders out, get the lines, and dock by yourself. The helm on the 1295 features 2 12-inch garments, air conditioning, joystick, bow thruster, autopilot, and everything is cleanly laid out and accessible. Something I really like about the downstairs of the boat is that if you're 6 foot tall like myself, you don't have to duck when going through the doorways. This boat has 2 guest cabins on board, and they're very spacious. Each one will sleep 2, and they're exactly the same size. This is the other starboard guest cabin. The 1295 Fly has 2 bathrooms, one for your guests and one ensuite that gets isolated by its own private door. This is a big change from the 1095. You have an inset bow for comfortably riding. You have a table and 3 chase lounges. Up on the fly of the boat, you have a 12-inch GPS, joystick controls, bow thruster controls, everything you need to pilot the vessel, and a great seating area that's U-shaped, and it flips forward to create a co-pilot seat. Something unusual in this size of boat is the galley sink and the cooktop in the flybridge. That was the all-new Jeanneau NC 1295 flybridge. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not just a boat, it's a lifestyle.